Afternoon, profitable traders. Welcome to today's market color session. Just a recap of everything. We analyzed during the London market color session. I beg your pardon. So I'm just going to be recapping DXY, GBP USD, and Euro USD. So starting off with the weekly time frame, we'll be looking at this point of interest, 107.321 for price to sell into, to buy into, and then sell off from that level. And on the daily time frame also, we've been seeing the most recent price action being bullish. Coming down to the 4-hour time frame, we spotted this level that we wanted to see price trade into this left shoulder at 99.324. But instead, price only traded into this fair value gap right here, and we're seeing it pouring further down. On the 1-hour time frame, as seen right here, we also have the same point of interest as to where we wanted to see price sell off from, right? So shoulder at 99.340, sweep to the upside, breaks the downside. Instead, it was what price they just retraced and kept selling. And on the 15 minutes time frame also, all things being equal, we may see price still respecting our point of interest for the sale of DXY, 99.340. So down to Euro USD. On Euro USD, as seen right here, right? Seen right here on Euro USD. So the weekly time frame, this is what we're looking at for price to sell off into 1.06763. And once price gets there, I am more than willing to buy. Sell off into 1.06763, and then I want to buy off that level. Coming down to the 4-hour time frame also, we're seeing minor structure being bullish. We're seeing minor structure being bullish, and we have a couple of points of interest. So we wanted to see price retrace right back into this left shoulder. I beg your pardon. Into the left shoulder right here. So this was what we were speculating for price to do, but instead we just keep seeing it. We just kept seeing the buy to the upside. So all things being equal, we should still see this last push to the downside and then the continuation of this buy that has started. And on GBP USD, right, we're looking at this point of interest, 1.31589. Price is yet to get there, but we're even seeing more push to the downside. So I'm still looking out for price to retrace into 1.31589 before I buy GBP USD on the 1-hour time frame. Right, so we'll be going on a brief break and we'll be right back for the second segment of today's session. We'll be back shortly. Do not go anywhere.
right, everyone, you're welcome back to the Market Color by Value for Trading. Moving on, we're looking at gold this morning. Earlier today, we said we're expecting a buy on gold, and you can see how gold has been buying since then, since the beginning of the New York session, especially after the London session overlap with New York session, which is somewhere around here. And you can see where price is picking up from. So we anticipated a buy earlier. Right now, it has given us clear confirmation for a buy. So if you see any buy setup on gold right now, we're taking it and we're buying gold all the way to the upside. Okay, so this is what we're looking out for on gold this morning. Next is the yen basket. We're just going to check out what has played out on the yen basket and what we expected to play out. So for the yen basket, we're expecting a sell. And you can see that price has just been dipping and giving us that sell to the downside, just as we anticipated. And we can see how that is taking effect on GBP JPY. For GBP JPY, we're looking forward to seeing the buy. Okay, quickly, let me just show you what we were anticipating on GBP JPY earlier. So for GBP JPY, we're expecting to see a sell into this region and then a buy back to the upside, but that did not happen clearly. But overall, GBP JPY, we're expecting a buy. If you have any other entry signature that you would want to use to take advantage of this trade, then you can of course take it. You can of course take it in line with the bias we've explained earlier. Now for the Euro JPY, which is the only one that gave us the buy signal, if you see right here was where we said we're expecting Euro JPY to trade into, and it did just that. So Euro JPY sold into this level here and then bought back to the upside. So it's playing out according to what we anticipated earlier. So for Euro JPY, the buy is playing out. For GBP JPY, the buy is playing out. For gold as well, the buy is playing out. For the only one where we didn't get a clear entry is on GBP JPY. Hopefully, we're going to get a good entry afterwards. So we're going to be rounding up the market color from here, seeing that everything is moving well. We'll have to go back to our trading to make sure that we manage our trades properly. We're going to meet again once again tomorrow morning by 8 a.m. GMT plus 8:30 a.m. rather GMT plus 1. Until then, wish you good luck and wish you good trading. Cheers and God bless, guys.